back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. Today, as you could tell by the title of this video and also by the little intro that you just seen, today we will be doing another PR unboxing. I was sent this package from Gerard Cosmetics. I have been sent a few packages from them before. Yeah, if you are interested in purchasing any of these products that I mention or any other product on the Gerard Cosmetics site, be sure to use the discount code Minsbeauty at checkout to save yourself some money, because we all want to save money. Anyways, this is the box. We open it up. There is this big write-up on the box, just says thank you, blah blah blah. We look forward to, you know, growing together on social media and whatnot. And you get this little card here. This is all of the products that they sent me this time. I'm going to pull this one out first because I don't actually have it in the box. I've had this box sitting here for a little while, waiting to do this video, but I have used this. This is the Super Booster Whitening Pen. It is to restore teeth to natural white. I have used this for the past 3 or 4 nights now in a row, and I gotta say, my teeth are looking whiter. It says for best results used every night for 14 days. So we'll see what my teeth look like after the 14 days is up. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box, I have gone through so many of these. This is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. Seriously, I have gone through, let's see, I've had coconut, I've had cucumber, watermelon, peach. There was another one I had, I don't remember what. And this one, you can tell I've already been using it because I just couldn't wait to use it before I filmed this video. So I've been using it. This one is in Dreamsicle. And oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells just like creamsicles. It is delicious. All right, I got another spray. This one is different. This one is the Mystified spray. It says it is a hydrating facial mist. It comes in the same kind of packaging. This one says Slay All Day. This one says Mystified. This one looks to be like really milky looking. And I don't know what it smells like. I haven't used this one yet. It smells kind of like some kind of plant. I don't know. But I'm excited to try that out, especially with the winter months coming. My skin tends to get a little drier. All right, next couple things I'm pulling out. We have 2 of these. These are the Star Powders. The packaging is beautiful. I don't know if it'll focus here. It's got little stars on the packaging. Oh, it's so cute. These are highlighters. I got 2 of them. This one is in the shade Bridget, and this one is in Marilyn. So let's open these up. Here they are. So let's open up Bridget. I really like the packaging on these things because it snaps closed. There's a little button right here. You push it, it comes open. You have a nice mirror. But then you also have this protective layer right here, which you flip open and your product is underneath. This is great for travel. I think it will really save your product if something happens. That's the color. I will do a swatch. That's what it looks like on the finger. Let's see if it'll focus on that. It is really pretty. It's got a nice shine to it. This one does have like a pink undertone. I don't think it's going to show up on camera, but it does have a pink undertone. And then the other color we got is the same packaging. This is in the shade Marilyn. This one is more of like a champagne kind of color. There it is right there. I will do a swatch right under this one here. And then maybe, oh yeah, now you can see the top one has the pinkish tone to it. And the bottom one is more champagne. Those, I love these highlighters. They are so beautiful. All right, the next couple things that are in the box, I have 2 lip pencils here. I have one in the shade Nude and one in Peachy Keen. So let's just open these up. Okay, so here we have Peachy Keen. I will do a swatch right here. It's just a beautiful light peachy color. Peachy pinky color, and then I will put Nude right here so you can see. They're so creamy. I really do enjoy her lip pencils. All right, we're getting down there. They also sent 3 of their lipstick bullets, so I will slide these out of the boxes. This is what the packaging looks like. It just looks like a little lipstick bullet. We have the shade Between the Sheets here. We have the shade Kimchi Doll. And then we have the shade Mystic Moon. So let's get up a little bit closer and see. Those are those shades. They are so beautiful. I don't have any other shade like Mystic Moon in my collection. So I'm so happy to have like a cool tone, grayish, browny kind of shade like this. I think I'm gonna have some fun with it. All right, we just have 3 more products to talk about. The first one is the Supreme Lip Cream. I got this in the shade Angel Cake. It is a very pale nude pink kind of color. Where am I gonna swatch it? Right here. So it's actually really close to Kimchi Doll, that shade. And then we have a Longwear Hydra Matte lipstick. This is in the shade Serenity. This is what this one looks like. It's in like a frosted kind of bottle. On the applicator, I will do a swatch right here. That is such a pretty color. It's like a corally nude. It's so pretty. Absolutely love it. And it's so comfortable to wear on the lips. All right, this next one is super cool. Both of my daughters are actually fighting over who gets to steal it from me. But this is the Light 'em Up lip gloss in the shade Skin. So this is what the package looks like. I know it doesn't really look like much of anything, but wait, let me turn this. Let me turn that light off just for a minute so we can get some extra darkness. Let's focus on that. Oh, do you see the light? You pull it out and there is a light in there. That is so cool. And there's also a little mirror on the side. So you pull it out, you have this light in the lid. It shines perfectly on your lips. And with this little mirror, you can apply your gloss anywhere. I mean, it's a pretty bright little light. So yes, my kids both want to steal that from me. All right, guys, that is everything in my box. And just a disclaimer, a little side note here, even though I was sent these products in PR, and this goes for any upcoming PR videos that you see, if I get sent something and I think that it is garbage, I'm not going to try to sell it to you. I will let you know that I think it's garbage. You know, there's been a few times where I have went out and bought something that some beauty guru told me to buy, and I was so disappointed and regretted the purchase, and I would never do that to you guys. But I gotta say, Gerard Cosmetics, their products, especially their Slay All Day setting spray, oh my god, I cannot get enough of it. Like I said, I don't know how many bottles I have gone through, and I will continue. This will always be right where I need it to spray my face, because I just can't live without it anymore. And yes, don't forget to use the code Minsbeauty at checkout if you do want to make a purchase at this company. And if not, well, thanks for watching anyways. If you guys like these PR unboxings, please leave me a comment down below so that I know to maybe keep doing them, especially now that I'm starting to bring in a little bit more of these packages. I can maybe make a series out of it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Also, head on over to Instagram and follow me at Minsbeauty86, because a lot of photos and stuff I post on there doesn't get to be shown here on YouTube. So if you want best of both worlds, go follow me over there. And yes, I'm going to stop rambling now, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing night. Or day. Whatever it is when you're watching it.